Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have the kid LAROI here with the song called Bleed. And yes, you have heard about this kid. He's been here on this channel before, or where have you been if you haven't? So it's time to learn his songs here, because he will be back here for sure in the future. He's now here with the song called Bleed. And we have this capo set here on the first fret, and with that we have 3 easy chords for the song. So put your capo on, let's look at the chords. And we will start with the F. So that is a bar chord. So you place the bar on the first fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. The next chord will be A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is the E minor 7, very easy, like this. All strings are open except from the 2nd A. So open E, 2nd A, and open D, open G, open B, and open E. Yes, so you're gonna play this song in that order as well, the chords as we learned them: F, A minor 7, and E minor 7. Now, finally, let's just take a look at the strumming pattern. Starting with F, of course. So one strumming around will be down, up, down, 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 down. A little bit different. It goes like this. For one round. So it's first down, short pause, and then comes up, down, and then down, down, down. Down, up, down, 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 down. And a couple of rounds to get this feeling for the rhythm. With the F goes. And so on. So you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for F, 1 for A minor, and 1 for E minor, like this. I gave you 2 rounds there, this chord progression rounds, and you're gonna play like this from the beginning till the very end. And there you have the kid LAROI's Bleed. So if you enjoyed this, please thumb up this tutorial, show me some love here, leave a comment perhaps, and until next time, play tuned.